Okay, hello everyone. This is Mr. McClellan and I'm very excited to show you something really cool that we found. This is called Incredibox. So what you can do with Incredibox is this is a program that lets you make your own beats. And without further ado, let's get started. So, when you go to the website, it's www.incredibox.com, which you can find this on my website, or you can just go on the link on the website. It'll just be easier. Alright, now there are a few options you have here. So you can start with either the styles or mix that you want to use. I'm going to start with the love. Now what you might get looks a little bit something like this. It says Adobe Flash Player is out of date. Now what you can do in this situation is you just go up here, Adobe Flash Player was blocked, say run this time, click that, and you should be good to go. Alright, so while this is loading, we can tell you a little bit about how it works. What you do is there are little icons, you drag them onto the guy, who will then play a beat, and you use those beats to create your mix. And don't forget, you can record these mixes and save them for later, share them to Facebook, you can do whatever you want with them. But for right now, I just want to talk about making a beat. So here's what's going to happen. We have this guy in front of us, and we're currently in need of some beats. So we're going to just take one of these 4 categories, take an icon, drop it onto them. And that's going to create a sound. Now, you can add anything you want for that. So here, let's add another one. And let's see, it's going to load up here in the corner. And why that? And I'm cool with that. Let's add one more thing, maybe one more beat, and see how it goes. Alright, I like it. Now we're going to add, let's add this guy from the melodies. And we're just going to add a few of them together. Now let's see, I can't tell, can't quite hear what this guy's doing. Let's hear him solo. Now the way we hear someone solo is that we just go right down here, and we can either click these little headphones icons. If we unclick them, we're back to normal. Now the other thing that we can do is, let's say that this thing is really bothering me, I don't want to hear it anymore, we can just mute it. You can do that either by clicking on this little speaker icon here, or by just clicking on the person itself. And if I want to get rid of him, you just go here to the X, and away he goes. And you can do this for anything you want. So, and you just mix and match like that, and you can make your own beats. Now, there is one cool thing that I do want to show you before we stop, and that is the shuffle mode. You just click on shuffle, and it's going to add a random piece as you go. And it's going to shuffle through them, so you can hear a bunch of the new sounds. Yep, and that's going to come around every time that this happens. Alright, then to go back to normal, you just click right here. Alright. Now what you can do from here is you can click record, you can record it, share it to Facebook, and do whatever you want with it. But in the meantime, I'm just going to play around with this just so you can get a little bit more of an idea about how this works. Alright? want to stop, you can just click stop sounds up here, and you're all set. And that is Incredibox. Thank you very much, everyone. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.